In this video, I am gonna mention some common mistakes in English language. The first sentence. He made an excuse to be late. This sentence is wrong grammatically, and the correction of this sentence is: he made an excuse for being late. Now we have the sentence: I feel myself feverish. The correction of the sentence is: I feel feverish. I am really excited to good news from you. The correction is: I am really excited to get your good news. Those who are absent, I shall punish them. It is a wrong sentence. The correction is: I shall punish those who are absent. The first sentence. Open the last but one page of the book. And the correction is: open the last page but one of the book. She did a request for some water. The correct sentence is: she made a request for some water. How does he like? It is a wrong sentence, and the correction of this sentence is: what does he look like? I have been abroad 10 years. The correction of this sentence is: I have been abroad for 10 years. We do not say, how much is the temperature? But we say, what is the temperature? We do not say, it is a high-paid job. We say, it is a high-paying job. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it beneficial.